Elon Musk put a chip in this paralyzed man's brain. Now he can move things with his mind. Should we be amazed or terrified? He N1, a 4 mm square chip, is implanted into the skull. Attached to the chip are wires thinner than a human hair, which reach out into the brain. These threads are placed close to important parts of the brain and are able to detect messages as they are relayed between neurons, recording each impulse and stimulating their own. Neuralink says the N1 is able to connect with 1,000 different brain cells, and that a patient might have as many as 10 N1 chips implanted. The chips connect wirelessly to a wearable device that hooks over the user's ear, much like a hearing aid, and contains a Bluetooth radio and a battery. But with the rise of advanced brain chip technology, like Elon Musk's Neuralink, this once futuristic scenario is starting to feel real. Now, experts are asking critical questions. Can the human brain be hacked? What happens if someone gains control of a brain chip? How can we protect ourselves from brain hacking? Why is it difficult to hack? Neuralink runs on a key custom operating system, which is not widely known. That makes it harder for hackers to exploit. Hackers would likely need physical access to the device and deep knowledge of its technical workings. Pacemakers and insulin pumps, for example, have been targeted in cyber attacks. If a hacker can take control of a medical device, why not a brain chip? Alex Laurie, a cybersecurity expert at ForgeRock, highlights major security risks. He explained how Neuralink connects a user's brain to an app on their smartphone, which then interacts with other digital devices. Why is this risky? Any system that connects to the internet, smartphones, or computers can be hacked. If a hacker gains access, they could fake brain commands, making it seem like the user is doing things they're not. Steal private medical data, putting personal health information at risk. Manipulate memory logs, altering activity history to make it appear as though the person acts. Beyond medical uses, Neuralink could potentially allow people to improve memory by storing and retrieving data like a computer. Enhance focus and learning by directly connecting to educational tools. Control multiple devices at once, making interactions seamless. For example, if a person with paralysis wants to move a computer cursor, they simply think about moving their hand, and the chip interprets that intention, converting it into an action on the screen. Neuralink could enable hands-free control of smartphones, wheelchairs, and even entire smart homes, making daily tasks more accessible for people with disabilities and enhancing how we interact with technology.